Brittany and Phil met over 20 years ago when our family moved from Bensonville to Addison. Brittany instantly developed a crush on Phil, largely in part to his bowl haircut. And she asked our sister Jen for his AOL screen name. Days later, Brittany was messaging Phil.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here. Fall. It's easy to see from down here. If I'm not swinging, then the war is won.
Phil, when I first saw you with that bowl-cut haircut walking through the halls of Indian Trail, I had a crush. And let's face it, it wasn't a secret. I don't know how I convinced your sister to give me your screen name, but I'm so grateful that Jen did. I would have never thought that 21 years ago my AOLIMs would lead us to this day. You became my high school sweetheart, the guy I might have followed to Hawaii, the guy who convinced me to quit my advertising job, pack a backpack, and travel the world with him. Phil, you are the reason I now do what I love, the reason I found so much happiness. Our story is a bit complicated and a tad bit messy, but no matter what growing pains we endured, we always ended back together. I don't know what the future holds, but the one thing I know for sure is that we will continue to grow together just as we have the last 2 decades. Phil, I promise to support you, your wildest dreams, as you have always supported mine. I promise to try to burn dinner a little less and to kiss you more, to always let you scuba dive while I soak up the sun and shop. I promise to choose adventure over the expected, to stand by your side even when it may be the harder choice. I vow to be your best friend, your soulmate, and your travel partner. For one lifetime with you could never be enough. I will love you today, tomorrow, and for all eternity.
I think that this beach wedding has played out in our minds 1,000 times on hundreds of beaches all around the world. The planning may have taken a year, but this day has actually been 20 years in the making. We've gone from 2 awkward teens chatting online for hours about nothing to a house, a dog, and memories in more places than we even knew existed 2 decades ago. We have literally crawled across bridges together. For 20 years, we have supported each other through so many of life's most difficult moments and cheered during its best. You are one incredibly motivated, hardworking, supportive, loving, and beautiful person inside and out. You are one of a kind. I promise to never overlook just how lucky I am to have you, to cherish each flight, walk, pool break, and passport stamp with you. I promise to continue to give you a hard time about moon rocks, your shopping and returning addiction, your hilarious sense of humor, and your illustrious basketball career. I promise to encourage you to do what makes you happy every single day and to do whatever it takes to make that possible. On difficult days, when that isn't the case, I promise to be the shoulder for you to cry on. I promise that after today is over, we will continue to change and grow our relationship together to continue to make each other better people. My final promise, one you've heard many times the last 20 years, is that I truly love you.
It is now my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may kiss.
My ultimate favorite thing about our friendship is that we spend 90% of our lives laughing. I can't even look at you. Not just laughing about funny things that most normal people laugh at, but being just absolutely ridiculous and then laughing some more about laughing.
Phil, we met years ago before you even moved to Addison. Gold team hockey, go Flames. But you've been a brother to me. Nothing short of family. You've been there for me always. Tough times, everything that goes with it.
My love, you've shown me how to follow my dreams and take risks. You said bye-bye to advertising gross Kentucky Fried Chicken and country fried steak and said hello to following your passions and have the most beautiful photography business to show for it. You gave me the courage and shown me the way to attempt the same.
Congratulations. And again, just want to thank everybody, and let's raise the final glass. Here, Phil and Britt. Congratulations, guys.